Hello, this is Tyres. I've got a Skoda here on a 2017 2018 place, pretty much the new shape one. It's an Octavia. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light. Before I do that, or you could check where your tyre sizes are and the pressure is on the fuel cap itself. You can see on this one it's got 16s on there at the moment, so you've got 2.2 front and rear, 2.5 front and rear, and if you've got a full load, 2.5 and 3.2 front and rear. Now to reset it, it's quite simple. All you got to do is make sure all your doors are shut, start your car up. This is already running, so if I switch the car off now and we'll show you the light, it's that one right there. That's what we need to get rid of. Now to do it, I'll start, go into car, I then go into settings, I then go into tyres, and then set the pressure. Confirm. Just doing that now. That's all done. That's all you got to do on your car. If there is anything else you need to know, do let me know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the videos, share if possible. Thank you very much. Goodbye.